Hello friends, today we will learn the English through stories. So let's start our video. Story 1. Daniel loves the beach. Every Saturday, Daniel and his family go to the beach. They live far from the beach. But once a week, the family gets into the car and Daniel's father drives for hours until they arrive. Daniel's parents love the beach. Daniel and his sister and brother love the beach. The family's dog loves the beach very much. But it is a problem to go to the beach every week. Daniel's father gets tired from driving so many hours. The rest of the family gets tired from sitting in the car for so many hours. Daniel's mother says it is a fun in the beach, but it takes too much time to get there and back. Daniel and his sister and brother are very sad. They want to go to the beach, but it is a problem. They try to go to the swimming pool, but it is not the same thing. One day, Daniel's parents come to talk with the kids. They say, we have a problem to go to the beach every week. But we love the beach and you love the beach and the dog loves the beach, so we have a solution. We need to live near the beach. Daniel and his sister and brother are very happy. Now they live near the beach. They go to the beach every day. The end. Story number 2. The Pet Shop. Cody and his sister April decide they want a dog. They head down to the local pet store and have a look around. It is a very small pet store that does not have many animals. The owner of the shop is a nice old man named Mr. Smith. He walks over and greets Cody and April. How can I help you? He asks. We would like to buy a dog, April responds. Well, we are not a big pet shop, Mr. Smith tells her, so we only have two dogs to choose from. They ask Mr. Smith to show them the dogs. Mr. Smith leads them to the back of a store where the two dogs are. One of them is a very big bulldog named Buster. The other is a very tiny chihuahua named Teacup. April wants Teacup, Cody wants Buster. They walk outside to discuss. They can't agree on a dog. April suggests they race home for it. The winner of the race chooses the dog. Cody agrees, then tells April her shoelace is untied. When April looks down, he runs off and gets a head start. Cody runs as hard as he can. He really wants that bulldog. He looks back. April is so far behind he cannot even see her. Cody finally gets home. He is tired, but he is happy. He knows he is the winner. April arrives a few minutes after Cody. She congratulates him. They return to the pet store to purchase Buster, the bulldog. However, when they arrive, they only see Teacup, the Chi-Hoo-Ha. They ask Mr. Smith where Buster is. Mr. Smith gives the details. He explained that a few minutes after April and Cody leave, two boys walk in and buy the bulldog. Cody looks at April and she holds back a smile. Cody says he turns back to Mr. Smith. Sometimes you win the race, but not the prize. Cody smiles sadly. We will take the Chi-Hoo-Ha, please. The end. Thank you.